हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू डीजी क्वेश्चन बैंक। आज हम AIBE 15 सेट ए के क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे। ये जनवरी 2021 में हुआ था। आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, सेक्शन 66A ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट वाज हेल्ड अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल इन द केस ऑफ। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, श्रेया सिंघल वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अ टीचर इज नॉट अ वर्कमैन विद इन द परव्यू of Industrial Disputes Act held in the case of. The correct answer is option C, A. Sundaram Bal versus Government of Goa. Question number 3. According to Factories Act, the correct answer is option A. Child means a person who has not completed his 15th year of age. Question number 4. The Uncitral Model Law and rules do not become part of the Arbitration Act so as to become an aid of constitute the provisions of the Act held in the case of. The correct answer is option A, Union of India versus East Coast Boat Builders and Engineers Limited. Question number 5. According to Section 7 Clause 4 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, an arbitration agreement is in writing if it is contained in. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 6. Waiver of right to object deviance from arbitration agreement is mentioned under dash of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. The correct answer is option B, Section 4. Question number 7. A intentionally and falsely leads B to believe that certain land belongs to A and thereby induce B to buy and pay for it. The land afterwards become the property of A and A seeks to set aside the sale on the ground that at the time of the sale he had no title. He will not be allowed to prove his want of title. Which section of the Evidence Act is applicable? The correct answer is option C, Section 115. Question number 8. The Arbitration Act 1996 repeals. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 9. Section 265A to 265L, Chapter 21A of the Criminal Procedure Code deals with the concept of. The correct answer is option D, plea bargaining. Question number 10. Security for good behavior from habitual offenders is dealt under. The correct answer is option B, Section 110 of CRPC. Question number 11. XYZ jointly promised to pay A an amount of rupees 50,000. Subsequently, XY became untraceable. Can A compel Z to pay? The correct answer is option A. A can under Section 43 para 1. Question number 12. Delivery of goods by one person to another for some purpose upon a contract that they shall, when the purpose is accomplished, be returned or disposed of according to the directions of the person delivering them. This process is termed as. The correct answer is option B, bailment. Question number 13. Section 14A inserted by the Specific Relief Amendment Act 2018 relates to. The correct answer is option A, power of the courts to engage experts. Question number 14. Parliament may by law establish administrative tribunals under dash of the Constitution. The correct answer is option B, Article 323A. Question number 15. The Bar Council of India has to lay down the standards of professional conduct and etiquette for the advocates under. The correct answer is option B, Section 71B of the Advocate Act 1961. Question number 16. According to the Section 49 of the Advocate Act of 1961, the Bar Council of India has power to make rules. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 17. Requisites of a valid adoption. No adoption shall be valid unless. The correct answer is option A, Section 6 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Question number 18. According to the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019, any pronouncement of talaq as defined under the act by a Muslim husband upon his wife by words either spoken or written or in electronic form or in any other manner whatsoever shall be. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 19. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act HSAA 2005 provides for women. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 20. Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act provides for. The correct answer is option B, permanent alimony and maintenance. Question number 21. A Hindu wife had been living with her children and all the children had been brought up by her without any assistance and help from the husband many years. The wife was entitled to separate residence and maintenance under. The correct answer is option C, Section 18(2)(a) of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Question number 22. Imposition of compensatory costs in respect of false or vexatious claims or defense is dealt under. The correct answer is option B, Section 35A of CPC. Question number 23. Which provision under the Code of Civil Procedure deals with substituted service of summons upon a defendant? The correct answer is option C. Order 5, Rule 20. Question number 24. The question is whether A owes B rupees 10,000. Which of the following statements are relevant under Evidence Act? The correct answer is option D. All of the above. The question number 25. Question number 25. So much of such information, whether it amounts to a confession or not, as relates distinctly to the fact thereby discovered by the police, may be proved under. The correct answer is option C. Section 27 of the Evidence Act. Question number 26. When the court has to form an opinion upon a point of foreign law or of science or art or as to identify of handwriting or finger impression, the opinions upon that point of persons specially skilled in such foreign law, science or art, or in questions as to identify of handwriting or finger impressions are relevant facts. This is under dash of the Evidence Act. The correct answer is option B. Section 45. Question number 27. According to Environmental Protection Act 1986, environmental pollutant means. The correct answer is option C. Any solid, liquid or gaseous substance present in such concentration as may be or tend to be injurious to environment. Question number 28. National Green Tribunal cannot exercise its jurisdiction with reference to. The correct answer is option D. Both A and B. Question number 29. An attempt to acquire sensitive information such as usernames, passwords and credit card details and sometimes indirectly money by the masquerading as a trustworthy entity in an electronic communication is known as. The correct answer is option C. Phishing. Question number 30. The plea bargaining is applicable only in respect of those offences for which punishment of imprisonment is up to a period of. The correct answer is option A. 7 years. Question number 31. From a plain reading of section 195 CRPC, it is manifest that it comes into operation at the stage when the court intends to take cognizance of an offence under section 190 clause 1 CRPC, and it has nothing to do with the statutory power of the police to investigate into an FIR which discloses a cognizable offence. In other words, the statutory power of the police to investigate under the code is not in any way controlled or circumscribed by section 195 CRPC. This was held by the Supreme Court in the case of. The correct answer is option B. Raj Singh versus State 1998. Question number 32. Indemnity contract is defined under. The correct answer is option A. Section 124 of the Indian Contract Act. Question number 33. Peek versus Gurney is a famous case related to. The correct answer is option B. Fraud. Number 34. Which provision under Criminal Procedure Code 1973 deals with the procedure to be adopted by the magistrate to record confession and statements? The correct answer is option B. Section 164. Number 35. Attachment of property of person absconding can be done under section dash of CRPC. The correct answer is option A. 83. Number 36. Magistrate may dispense with personal attendance of accused under section dash of CRPC. The correct answer is option C. 205. Number 37. The Supreme Court invoked the principle of transformative constitutionalism in the case of. The correct answer is option A. Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India 2018. Number 38. The provisions of Indian Penal Code apply also to any offence committed by. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 39. Section 105H of CRPC deals. The correct answer is option A. Forfeiture of property in certain cases. Question number 40. Bar to taking cognizance after lapse of the period of limitation is dealt under. The correct answer is option D. Section 168 of CRPC. Question number 41. Decree holder means. The correct answer is option A. Any person in whose favor a decree has been passed or an order capable of execution has been made. Question number 42. Under the Patent Act, which of the following are not patentable? The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Number 43. World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO has replaced pre-existing. The correct answer is option B. BIRPI. Question number 44. Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India on 10th January 2020 relates to a challenge under Article 32 of the Constitution seeking issuance of an appropriate writ. The correct answer is option A. For setting aside orders of the government by which all modes of communication including internet have been shut down in J&K. Question number 45. Section 66A of the Information Technology Act was struck down under Article 19(1)(a). Read the Article 19(2) in the case of. The correct answer is option D. Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. Question number 46. The utility of public interest litigation. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 47. Article 145(3) of the Indian Constitution states that the minimum number of judges who are to sit for the purpose of deciding any case involving a substantial question of law as to the interpretation of this constitution or for the purpose of hearing any reference under Article 143 shall be. The correct answer is option C. 5. Question number 48. The petitioner, a professor of political science who had done substantial research and deeply interested in ensuring proper implementation of the constitutional provisions, challenged the practice followed by the state of Bihar in promulgating a number of ordinances without getting the approval of the legislature. The court held that the petitioner as a member of public has sufficient interest to maintain a petition under Article 32. This relates to the case of. The correct answer is option B. DC Wadhwa versus State of Bihar, AIR 1987, SC 579. Question number 49. Where a legal wrong or a legal injury is caused to a person or to a determinate class of persons by reasons of violation of any constitutional or legal right or any burden is imposed in contravention of any constitutional or legal provision or without authority of law, or any such legal wrong or legal injury or illegal burden is threatened, and such person or determinate class of persons by reasons of poverty, helplessness or disability, or socially or economically disadvantaged position unable to, or economically disadvantaged position unable to approach the court for relief, any member of public can maintain an application for an appropriate direction, order or writ in the High Court under Article 226, and in case any breach of fundamental rights of such persons or determinate class of persons in this court under Article 32, seeking judicial redress for the legal wrong or legal injury caused to such person or determinate class of persons. Justice Bhagwati in the case of. The correct answer is option C. SP Gupta versus Union of India. Question number 50. The definition of money under GST law does not include. The correct answer is option B. Currency held for numismatic value. Question number 51. Under Article 279A, GST Council is constituted by. The correct answer is option C. The President. Number 52. The definition of contract is defined under. The correct answer is option B. Section 2H of the Indian Contract Act. Number 53. Question number 53. Voluntarily throwing or attempting to throw acid is an offence punishable under. The correct answer is option A. Section 326B of the Indian Penal Code. Question number 54. A is at work with a hatchet. The head files off and kills a man who is standing by. Here, if there was no want of proper caution on the part of A, his act is. The correct answer is option C. Not an offence. Question number 55. A, with the intention of causing Z to be convicted of a criminal conspiracy, writes a letter in imitation of Z's handwriting, purporting to be addressed to an accomplice in such criminal conspiracy, and puts the letter in a place which he knows that the officer of the police are likely to search. A has committed an offence under. The correct answer is option B. Section 192 of IPC. Question number 56. India, that is Bharat, shall be a. The correct answer is option C. Union of States. Question number 57. In MC Mehta versus Union of India, AIR 1987, SC 1086, Sri Ram Fertilizers case, the court held that. The correct answer is option A. In escape of toxic gas, the enterprise is strictly and absolutely liable to compensate all those who are affected by the accident, and such liability is not subject to any of the exceptions which operate vis-a-vis the tortious principle of strict liability. Question number 58. Under Section 70 of the Indian Contract Act, where a person lawfully does anything for another person or delivers anything to him, not intending to do so graciously, and such other person enjoys the benefit thereof, the latter is bound to make compensation to the former in respect of, or to restore the thing so done or delivered. This principle is known as. The correct answer is option C. Quantum meruit. Number 59. Agreement is. The correct answer is option A. A promise or set of promises forming consideration to each other. Question number 60. Under the Land Acquisition Act, the expression land includes. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 61. Temporary occupation of waste or arable land procedure when difference as to compensation exists is provided under. The correct answer is option C. Section 35 of Land Acquisition Act. Question number 62. Suits by indigent persons is dealt under. The correct answer is option B. Order 33 of CPC. Number 63. Res geste. Relevancy of facts forming part of same transactions is dealt under. The correct answer is option A, Section 6 of the Evidence Act. Question number 64. Among other things, the function of Bar Council of India includes laying down standards of professional conduct and etiquette for advocates. Under which section of the Advocates Act? The correct answer is option A, Section 7. Question number 65. According to Justice Abbott Perry, what are the 7 lamps of advocacy? The correct answer is option B. Honesty, courage, industry, wit, eloquence, judgment, and fellowship. Number 66. Minimum number of directors in a public company. The answer is option A, 3. Question number 67. An associate company in relation to another company means. The correct answer is option B. A company in which that other company has a significant influence but which is not a subsidiary company of the company having such influence and includes a joint venture company. Question number 68. The Supreme Court has legalized living wills and passive euthanasia subject to certain conditions in the case of. The correct answer is option B. Common Cause versus Union of India 2018 5 SCC 1. Question number 69. Article 310 of the Constitution mentions about. The correct answer is option D. Doctrine of pleasure with reference to civil servants is. Question number 70. Right to know the antecedents of the candidates in the election flow from. The correct answer is option A. Article 19(1)(a). Question number 71. In the preamble of the Indian Constitution, the expression liberty is followed by the words. The correct answer is option B. Of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Question number 72. According to Income Tax Act, zero coupon bond means a bond. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Number 73. Provisions relating to GST are inserted. The correct answer is option A. The Constitution 101st Act 2016. Question number 74. A is accused of waging war against the government of India by taking part in an armed insurrection in which property is destroyed, troops are attacked, and goals are broken open. The occurrence of these facts is relevant as forming part of the general transactions, though A may not have been present at all of them under which section of the India Evidence Act. The correct answer is option B, Section 6. Number 75. Section 110 of the Evidence Act deals with. The correct answer is option C, burden of proof as to ownership. Question number 76. Section 113A of the Evidence Act deals with. The correct answer is option D, presumption as to be abetment of suicide by a married woman. Question number 77. In which of the following case the offense of sedition was in issue? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Number 78. Deliberate and malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion or religious beliefs is an offense under. The correct answer is option B, Section 295A. Question 79. Under Section 29 of CRPC, the court of a chief judicial magistrate may pass any sentence authorized by law except. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 80. Provision regarding filing of suits by an alien under the Code of Civil Procedure is dealt under. The correct answer is option D, Section 83. Question number 81. An order issued by court under Civil Procedure Code 1908 as per Order 21, Rule 46 for recovery of amount due to judgment creditor is known as. The correct answer is option B, Garnishi Order. Question number 82. Section 88 read with Order 35 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 deals with. The correct answer is option A, interpleader suit. Question number 83. Vis major means. The correct answer is option A, act of God. Question number 84. According to classical doctrine of act of state in law of torts means. The correct answer is option A, an act of the sovereign power of a country that cannot be challenged, controlled, or interfered with by municipal courts. Question number 85. In torts, all persons who aid or counsel or director or join in the committal of a wrongful act are known as. The correct answer is option B, joint tortfeasors. Question number 86. MC Mehta versus Union of India 1986 Shriram Food and Fertilizers case relates to. The correct answer is option A, oleum gas leak. Question number 87. AK Kraipak versus Union of India relates to. The correct answer is option A, likelihood of bias. Question number 88. Judicial control of delegated legislation may be exercised on the ground of. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 89. The principle of res judicata is dealt under section dash of CPC. The correct answer is option C, 11. Question number 90. Section 40 of the CPC deals with. The correct answer is option B, presumption as to foreign judgments. Question number 91. 1. A residing in Delhi publishes in Kolkata statements defamatory of B. B may sue A. The correct answer is option D. Either in Kolkata or in Delhi. Question number 92. Mere illegality of the strike does not per se spell unjustifiability. Justice Krishna Iyer. Name the case. The correct answer is option C. Gujarat Steel Tubes versus Gujarat Steel Tubes Mazdoor Sabha. Question number 93. A workman aggrieved by the order of dash may directly make an application to the labor court or tribunal for adjudication of the dispute, and the court or tribunal is empowered to adjudicate such dispute as it had been referred to it by the appropriate government. The correct answer is option B. Dismissal, discharge, retrenchment or otherwise termination of service. Question number 94. The National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission was constituted in the year. The correct answer is option A. 1988. Question number 95. What is the limitation period applicable to the three forums in entertaining a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act 1986? The correct answer is option D. 2 years from the date on which the cause of action has arisen. Question number 96. Under Section 82 of the Indian Penal Code, nothing is an offence which is done by a child under the age of. The correct answer is option B. 7 years. Question number 97. R.V. Dudley and Stephen stands for the principle that. The correct answer is option A. Killing an innocent life to save his own is not a defense and necessity cannot be pleaded as a defense against murder. Question number 98. On and from the commencement of the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005 in a joint Hindu family governed by the Mitakshara law conferring on daughter co-personary status by substituting new section 4. The correct answer is option A. Section 6. Question number 99. Section 5 of Hindu Marriage Act relates to. The correct answer is option D. Conditions of Hindu marriage. Question number 100. A marriage between a girl of 22 years marries her maternal uncle's son of 23 years in accordance with the Special Marriage Act. Such marriage is. The correct answer is C. Void. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.